All right. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us for, I almost said mission briefing, but it's Launchpad, rockets and launch pads. Yeah, we're building an app, a really fun soundboard, collaborative app. I have with me Trevor Blades. Thanks for joining me, Blades, as always.
Hello.
Pair
Good
part,
day to you.
yeah, pairing partner in crime. And yeah. It is a good day. It's actually a rainy day here, though. But
I see. Yeah, it's smoky over here. You
oh,
haven't you haven't
geez.
you haven't seen any of the smoke from the West Coast yet, have you?
I mean, I've seen it like on the news and on social media, but no, not like,
Not in
yeah.
Virginia Beach.
No, we are not seeing the smoke here. No. But
Okay.
geez Louise, everyone else is. No fun.
They sure are. Yeah. It's
Oh,
pretty crazy
a
time.
wild Jake Dawkins appears.
Oh, snap. What's up, Jake?
Yeah, what's up? I am feeling better. I was not feeling well the last couple days, so that's why it's a good day for me. But I'm up, I'm moving, I'm here.
Mhm.
We're here, folks. Yeah. But yeah, other than that, just took the last couple days pretty easy. I'm excited to finish this up. We're like at the finish line with this project.
We
So
sure.
yeah, right. So in case anyone does not know or is unfamiliar with what we were building, we have a command for it now. You could do lp-project to see what the current Launchpad project is. What? I tried to integrate sounds, and I could not. I could not get it to work. I tried to do like if you do bop, it will play bop, but I don't hear nothing.
Dang.
There's no bop, and I'm very sad about it.
Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. No bop. No honk.
No, Bob.
No honk.
That's okay.
Honk's not even found. Oh, we switched it. Didn't we
We'll
switch
we'll
it?
we'll get them next time
Yeah, we'll get it next
with
time.
regards to
But
bops and honks. We could probably
yeah.
probably better for our sanity and our focus that we don't that we don't get those right now anyway.
Wait, you heard something, Jake? Oh, it's working. I can't hear it.
Oh, good.
Oh, it might not be on pass-through audio. Yeah, it might have been working this whole time. Uh, yeah, that's so funny. Cancel. I think I need to do this advanced audio properties. Oh, I have monitoring off. I'm such a fool. Oh, he didn't hear anything that time. Only maybe when. That's so interesting. Uh, yeah, I'm still.
Maybe it was us saying bop.
Yeah, I'm still
That
not
was
there. Maybe it was on this. No, because I heard that, and I don't think Chrome is loaded onto this scene yet. Anyway,
hmm.
video only. Let me add
The mystery
Chrome.
continues.
It does continue. It's very frustrating. But I mean, I tried to do it in like a rush, like right before um, this all happened, so I'm not surprised. But now everyone can hear bops and horns and zoops because I just added. Oh, wait, I have to transition over to myself to the same scene. But now it doesn't seem to be working. Something. Oh, there we go. There we go. Take that, chat. All right. Enough. Enough. Okay. So code things. We're doing things with codes and stuff. All right. Yeah. What were we doing? We're gonna add schema validation checks to our
That's right.
PRs because we breaking things and we need to not break them. So the question is, we need to take our schema. Let me flip over to some actual code and let's get going. No, I'm not really feeling this song. I'll let it go though. I don't feel like messing with it. Okay, so here we go. We got code. How's that look? It's a little small.
Yeah, let's bump it up a
Yeah, let's
couple.
bump it up a little bit. Bump it up. All right. So yeah. We've got a whole bunch of code open that we don't need. We do probably need that. Let's get rid of all these. Oh, I should probably share with you. Oops. Yeah, I am off today, y'all. Well, I mean, I am getting over being sick, so I guess it's to be expected. But yeah, let me get this
It's
live
it's
share
normal.
spun up. But yeah, so our first step is like, in order to do checks, we have to be able to point Apollo Studio somewhere, or really like the Apollo CLI, at something. Like, what's it going to compare to? Where is it going to get the schema? Right now, we are giving the schema to Apollo Studio every time we start the server. But that won't work in CI. I mean, it could, but we're not starting the server, so we don't really have an endpoint to give it to check. If we had like a staging environment, we could do that. Or like if we did a deploy preview, we could pass in the URL for the deploy preview. Long story short, we're just going to put the schema in a file, because then guess what? It can just check, and it's also something that you could do PRs on and talk about. So it works. It's pretty cool.
That sounds easier.
It sounds easier, right? So like, let's just do that. And here is our schema. This is it, basically. Right here. Well, I went a little too far, but you get the point. It's not big. This is our whole schema. So let's do, oh wait, I got the link, but I never shared it with you. I'm so sorry. I'm being a terrible host
That's
today.
all right.
I mean, I guess so.
Everything is okay.
Everything is fine. I feel like I should change my background to on fire. It's fine.
This is fine.
Yeah, this is fine. Nothing to see here, folks. Normal day.
While this connects, because we know Visual Studio Live Share has a tendency to take its time, I'm just gonna grab a little refill in my coffee.
Okay.
But don't wait up for me. I'll hop back in 20 seconds.
Oh man. Okay, here we go. Timer started. All right. So let's see. While he grabs coffee, I am going to close this up, go into the server, and yeah, so right now we just have index.js, this file right here, and I'm going to make a new schema.graphql.
18, 19, 20.
Boom.
There we go.
Look at that. What timing thou hast. Okay, so we're going to take all the guts out of here. Oh, just this. So we take the guts out, and we put the guts in, and there we go. Now we have a schema.graphql, but this is broken.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, that was quick. Oh, look at this. We've done a lot of our steps here, Blades, but we have not taken care of number 4 or 5 yet. Which is, we have to figure out what number 4 is, and number 5 we have to profit off of it.
My VS Code live share is still loading, and
yeah,
I can't follow you. But oh, here we go. Now it's highlighting a bunch of stuff, and oh wow, it's like replaying all your actions in super speed.
Nice.
Right. So we need to figure out what number 4 is, and then profit.
Yes.
You're right. You know, maybe those are just things that shake up in real time after we launch it.
After launch, we'll get data first.
Yeah, this is exactly. We gotta get some user data. We gotta raise a Series A.
Yeah.
We gotta.
This is a good call.
Like, there's lots of things that we need to do before we can think about profit.
Oh man. Okay. All right. So we're gonna import our schema from.
I'm just gonna watch your screen.
Sure.
For now.
Yeah. It's still loading.
Yeah, it is. It's I don't know what it is with live share sometimes.
Yeah, every once in a while. It'll do that. All right, so I don't even know what to do now. I can't remember. So I have the file, but you can't just put the file directly in. We still need to, I think, convert it to UTF-8 or something. Oh, maybe.
Let's check out the docs on this.
That's a good call.
I'm sure that there's
a much simpler solution than that.
There's something about this, but I've to be fair, I've never never actually defined my schema in a GraphQL file before. Always done it using the GQL tag.
GQL, or maybe someone in chat knows. Oh, hey, what's up, Xander? How's it going? How would I do this? Schema file.
What's going on, Xander?
Nope. That's not it.
Let's try. Oh yeah, let's get out of iOS. Let's go do the server doc.
Yeah, defining a schema.
Yeah.
Yes, but show me how to load it.
Maybe there's some kind of advanced.
That's what I'm wondering. I figured it out. Like I have a repo that does it, but I thought I'd just come here first and just like check it out. Make executable schema.
Oh, could that be it?
I'm pretty sure.
Oh no,
you
make
passed type defs. Yeah, resolvers.
Yeah.
So type defs. This is what we need. Is of a GraphQL schema. I'm gonna just try to pass it in. See what happens.
Yeah, I'm wondering if like our .graphql file, if that just gets imported as a string.
That's what I'm
hoping. Can we just pass that string to the GQL function?
Oh.
You know?
So then it would just be like GQL, but you can't like call it like that. So you're saying we just do this and put it in as a variable?
Yeah, as a variable, or you might you could just use a template string and put it in there. I don't know, maybe. That is if the result of schema is just like the text content of that .graphql file.
Well, there's only one way to find out, and I say let's just start it up.
Just node, right?
Yeah, let's just find out what happens.
And in addition, you should be able to just call GQL like a function as well.
Oh yeah, unexpected identifier type query. Oh, that's weird.
Yeah.
Well, this is correct though, right? Like that's how you define a schema.
Okay, so this is yeah. So this is taking exception to the actual fact that you're importing the schema from that file.
Yeah.
Wonder if it changes anything if you require it instead of import.
Oh, that might, yeah.
Because the import thing is being controlled by ESM.
Yes, this is true.
So that might help.
Unexpected identifier. Same boat. Xander, you are definitely not procrastinating. Nice. Well, that's good. Good for you for not procrastinating. I wish that was working. I wish they heard bop. They did not. And now I'm seeing play sound in the chat. Sweet. Something's broken. Did that work, Xander? Probably not. Yeah, it's definitely broke. It shouldn't be saying play sound on the layout either. All right, I tried. All right, so it is chaos over here. No, nothing played. Okay, yeah. All right, enough with that. One thing at a time. I can only break one app at a time, folks. What are we doing again? Oh yeah. We can't just require. I think we have to do like read file sync. So like bring in some FS stuff. fs.read file sync. On this require schema.graphql, and then we want to call like it was like 2UTF-8 or something. Let me go to the dang example. I have this working somewhere.
There's also this is from over a year ago.
Yes.
But I just found this comment in a
see schema.graphql, yeah.
Let's see.
Okay, so FS require FS type defs. Read file sync. Oh, I was way off. Let's just copy those. Yeah, I knew it was like a one-liner. Yeah.
This makes sense because like when you try to require or import a file, it assumes that it's a JavaScript or JSON.
Wait, didn't I have the whole line? Boop. Yes. Okay.
There's also this.
Ooh, dropped a link. Oh, you did.
I dropped a link in the chat to an answer to an issue about this, like
Ooh.
importing typedefs from GraphQL. And there's this GraphQL
import library. This looks good. Let's go take a look.
And yeah, so this is also like a guild.
Oh, big surprise.
A guild-owned tool.
Nice.
Yeah.
Guild.
But it allows us to just like in one line.
This is.
Should
we do this? I mean, it looks.
Mind you, if you look at the top of the page, there's a deprecation notice.
Oh, you're right. Deprecated and merged into GraphQL tools.
Yeah.
So we would
we want to
get GraphQL
maybe
tools.
Maybe follow that link there.
I'm on it.
The migration from import link. Let's see what that's all about.
Oops, I probably should have done that. I searched for GraphQL tools and went there. It has no README. All right, let's back this up. Shouldn't have rushed. There's a link you said? Oh, socket timeout. Nice. All right. Oh, okay.
Okay, interesting. So in this example, they're showing us how to use GraphQL tools/load and GraphQL tools/GraphQL file loader to import our schema as not as typedefs, but as like a full executable schema, I guess. And then that's what you pass to your
I see.
to your server.
Yeah.
But yeah, that I mean, this is obviously just one way of doing it. If you prefer to do it the way that you found in your other repo, I'm totally game to do that.
I'm down for whichever. Which one do you think will be like? Whichever. Which one do you think will be faster? I mean, I think this is technically done, so we're faster if we just go with this.
Let's just keep pushing forward then.
Yeah, if it doesn't
maybe
work,
we can even like add a to do there.
Yes.
If we want to one day use GraphQL tools/load,
yeah,
we could.
I like that. All right.
We could do that. Oh, I got a port shared. That's exciting.
Oh, progress. I forgot I was even sharing with you. Like, I can't believe that's still loading.
I know. It's just finished. Now I can see you typing. We actually got to like set this thing up an hour in advance.
Yeah, this is new though. I've not experienced that before. How's my internet connection?
New level.
Yeah, my CPU is being used a little bit more than normal. I wonder what apps do I have open.
I don't know. I don't think it's on your side.
Yeah, I was gonna say I really don't have anything going on.
This is just what happens when you're using such space age technology as sharing an editor.
Space age. Oh.
Hey, does Github Code Spaces allow you to share, like have a shared session?
Yeah. Yes. It does. It definitely does allow you to have a shared session. We could do that. Yeah. We really could.
That's awesome.
Same thing. I could just share the browser and be done with it.
Hey, what is the VS Code plugin that renders these two lines on your editor? This is I'm assuming like some like preferred line length, right?
Oh yeah, that's a setting. Yeah, that you mean to like so it will wrap at the further one, but yeah, those are guides so that I don't make lines too long.
Okay, how do I do that?
Let's find out. That's a very good question. I cannot remember.
Render indent guides.
Editor rulers.
Rulers.
Editor.rulers, and I have one set at 60 and one at 80.
Oh, dope. Okay, so how do I do?
So it's an array.
60 and 80.
Yeah, I have 60 and 80. And there's a way to make it wrap at like your rulers or something. I have wrapping at 80 too, I think, set somewhere.
Neat.
Preferred wrap. I could have swore I did, maybe not. Okay. All right, cool. Yeah. Yeah. It's nice though, right? Like it's kind of like, oh crap, look at how close I'm getting to this. I need to move it out from somewhere. That way I'm not in no flying V's, you know, we don't want to be no ducks.
Right.
Okay.
Cool. I'm getting it now. This was awesome.
Yeah, nice. Let's see. What am I doing? Oh, the server's running. It's running.
It is.
It's running.
We're
So
live.
let's just make sure that it's running. And we'll just go to, actually, let's go to Studio. We're going to be in there anyway. Boom. Jam spam. Okay, so we've got, let's play our subscription. Listening. Oof. Huh. Oh, that's not from local. That's why. That's not going to fire. Haha. That's not running the client. This is connected to localhost. I'm only running the server. How is your VS Code even loaded yet?
Yeah, I'm good to go.
Oh, cool. Let me share some more stuff with you.
Ready and rocking. And I'm testing out the GraphQL endpoint in just on localhost 4000.
Yeah.
Like the GraphQL playground, and everything's working.
Oh, good.
So I think that our schema, our file-based schema, is good to go.
Heck yes. Well, that'll make life a lot easier. Okay. So, boom. Now, okay. So that's running. So everything should be good. So let's go look at some stuff. Okay. So here we go. Oh, well, it's got connections, so we know that it's working. Cool. I'll take it. All right. Oh, that was what we were connected to. No wonder I didn't hear a subscription for a sound. Haha. All right. So the next step is we've got our schema in a file. So now we need to add a workflow. GitHub. Oh, hey. Well, that sound works. Hey, Xander. Thank you for the follow. Much appreciated. Well, at least that one's working. All right.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay. So if we look back here at the File Explorer, this is going to be important. So in order for Apollo CLI to do a check, and be like, hey, schema you have in the registry is really different, and you remove this query that people were using. You're about to break your app for all of your mobile users, let's say. That's no bueno. So we are going to make sure that doesn't happen by setting up validation checks. So now, the way that this works, I'm going to actually go to GitHub for this part. So wait a minute. Do we have code? We've made some changes. So for these changes, we're going to need this. I'm actually going to merge this because we need the schema to be... Actually, no, I should leave it. This will actually be a good test. I'm going to move this to a branch.
Oh, all right.
Branch name is set up schema checks. Cool. So now it's on a branch. So that's good because we're going to set up the workflow to look at the file. So when we push this and make our PR, it's going to look at the file and see if anything is different from what we've got in Apollo Studio. But I can't remember how to do this. We're going to have to go back. Part of this is going to happen through GitHub, like I said. So I need jam spam. Let's go to jam spam. I have a lot of repositories. I'm not sure why. That's a lot. All right. Ba-ba-da-ba. Hey. Okay, so we're here, and now we want to do actions. So what we're going to do is I'm going to set up the workflow myself. So they have a bunch of predefined ones. Like if you already knew, we were going to do something very specific, we could just click that, add in a couple of our default settings, and we'd be done. We'd be off to the races. Yeah, they have a whole bunch of these, and it's really just actions equals CI/CD basically. And you can have steps, you can connect them. Yeah, it's wild. Definitely worth checking out. B Dougie, Brian Douglas does a lot of GitHub action streams and stuff like that. Definitely worth checking out. It was awesome. He came on stream and showed me what was up. So that's how I figured out how to do what we're doing now. Okay, so action. Sweet. We're going to set up our own workflow because we kind kind of know what we want. And here I'm going to cheat a little bit because we already did this. So I'm going to get the code. Oh, I should have changed a different repo. I'm going to get the code from my other repo to kind of save time because I don't know how to do this off the top of my head yet. So I'm going to check, go to what I do know. So we have this schema check.yaml. So this is what I'm after. And then I'll just, I'll copy this in and make any adjustments I need to on our end, which is what I think we were doing last time. And that's where we got, oh my goodness.
Cool.
Yeah, look. So workflow, so main, I'm going to call this schema check.yaml. And I'm going to paste in all this stuff. So name schema check, cool. Yep, check schema, I dig it. Actions, check out. So this is going to check out the code so it can do what it needs to do. We're going to use Ian Sutherland's awesome action that he did to do the check. So now we just have to make sure like we have certain variables, and then you're good to go. Yeah, and I believe this is available. GitHub token is available now as a process environment, but it's expecting it as a key, so I'm gonna leave that. But anyway, we'll put those keys in.
That's something that like GitHub automatically
provides,
like pre-fills for you.
Yeah.
You don't need to do extra stuff to set it up.
Exactly. And then
Nice.
we'll have to put in the secret for the Apollo Studio key, which is the same thing our server is using to send our updates. So we'll put that in. But this is it. This is all we have to do to set up schema checking, except, okay, so look, server schema.graphql. So we're pointed there as well. The graph is not stream helpers. It's called jam spam. And I believe it is current, but we can verify that by going to Explorer. Oh, it's jam spam with a space. See, that would have got me. Okay.
Oh
snap.
Oh, because right. That's what we call it in the studio.
Yeah.
Would it be worth like changing that in studio
to make it
just to make it consistent with the rest of the way we spell it?
Yeah, I don't think it. Yeah, let's do that. I guess I would go to. I need the settings, and then. This might show. Yeah, let me do this. I have to like put us behind a restricted scene. Hang on, folks.
Okay.
We got to go incognito for this.
See you soon.
All right, so let's see. Yeah, because like I don't want to show that, and then graph name. There we go. Okay. All right. And now is like to get the key. Oh, here it is. We'll copy that, and then since I'm here, actually, let's do this. I'm going to. Well, no, actually, I could do that. I'm gonna just go to settings, open link in new tab, and I'll put this key in. There's this secrets tab on GitHub that I'm going to, and I'm going to add the secret for the Apollo key since I'm here. And I think that's called Apollo API key. Let me check. But I might as well just drop that here while I've got us on this whole restricted access thing.
Sounds good.
Apollo Studio key. All right. Okay, Apollo Studio key, so we'll add that. So it's got that now. And then I think I can get away from the settings here in jam spam so that we can go back. Woo! Okay, cool. We are back. All right.
And dude, I just did some internet creeping, and I found Ian Sutherland is Canadian.
Yeah. What's
and
Canadian?
I just posted Ian Sutherland is Canadian.
Oh,
and
wow. Yeah.
I posted a link to his GitHub action in the chat. So if anybody else wants to set up something like this, that repo gives you everything that you need to
nice
to get this all set up.
Yeah, cool. So since we're back, what I did was I went to the settings and you couldn't see, and I added, I mean, I have the tab here. Actually, I could show you now because it's not visible, but I added a key, the Apollo Studio key to my secrets. And that is it. So that's the only thing I changed in here in this file. So I'm going to start the commit, and I'm going to commit directly to the main branch. Yeah, that's cool. New commit. I'm fine with the default message. So that's committed. So now what we can do, we'll jump back to code and we'll see we have a Github Workflows file.
All right.
So that's good. We're going to want to pull in our changes from, actually, I don't know if it'll matter if the PR doesn't have the workflow in it. It should still be fine, but we have the schema check, but none have run. No results match because there's been no PRs created. So let's create one and let's see if this works.
Cool.
So let's go back to the code. We have this, and we'll say add schema checks. Yeah, we'll commit that. We'll push the branch. Boom. Thank you, GitHub. We'll compare and pull request. Thank you very much. We will add our schema checks. We're able to merge. So create that pull request, and we should get an action for this.
All right, let's await the results.
So we got the deploy stuff. There we go. Schema check. So let's go take a look at the details because we're going to want to make sure it builds. So, and then this is like a CI flow that you would see, you know? So it's just going to run and do our stuff. So it checked out the repo. It's going to check studio schema. So we'll see if that passes. We'll see what happens there. Might have hit something here. Who knows? I hope I put the key in right. Oh, so we got a fail. But why? Right. So we got to see what happened. Does not match graph from token. Oh, I might have to recreate the token because I changed the name.
Oh, I see. Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So we're gonna jump back to restricted area.
It says graph jam spam does not match Soundboard.
Yes, because it was called Soundboard to start. The key service is set to Soundboard.
Oh, okay.
Service Soundboard. So I have to generate a new key.
Got it. Okay.
So we've gone incognito. No one can see what we're doing. Top secret. Secret agent. Programmers? Whatever.
Sure.
I'll take it. All right. Oh, here it is. Create a new key. What? I don't want to give it a key name. I want you to create it. We'll call this CLI checks. Create. And I have created onto the, it still says Soundboard. That seems problematic to me. You know? Very interesting indeed. Oh, I think I might have done something like changing the graph name might not be enough.
We also have to change
I'm wondering some sort of like
there's a graph name and there's another thing called service
name. Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah, we might be needing to change. Let me check. You dropped the link to that schema check action, right? Yeah. Sorry, folks. Yeah. I'm jumping in there real quick. See what the available properties are. Service name. So we'll do service name. Let's try that.
Oh, like we needed to update the service name to Soundboard.
Yeah, I think like in the config for sorry, hang on. Let me switch us back over so everyone can see what I'm talking So in GitHub, in our code workflows, in here, I think we need to change, we need to add service, add the service. Does that make sense?
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I hear you.
And remove graph maybe and do the service name, which I believe is Soundboard. We're going to try it.
All right.
We're going to see what happens. I believe that's what they had. Hang on. So now I want to go back and look at service name.
Mm-hmm.
And I think the service name is Soundboard.
Yeah, by the looks of it in the error message.
Yeah, let's try.
Is that configured in our app or in Studio?
This is configured, that's in Studio. So that was like when you first create a graph, it's given like a service name. And so you could change like the front facing name of the graph, but the service is like the unique identifier for your graph across like all things. And then
I see.
Let's see though. It's just, if I'm correct, I could be incorrect. So we've got to rerun this essentially. So let's go to the details. Rerun jobs. Rerun all the jobs. Yo, and I found out you can connect. You can have up to like an obscene amount. I want to say it was 24. I mean, I'd have to check the episode to be sure of concurrent side-by-side jobs, and then like.
Oh wow.
But you can have more, but that's just all that will run in one, like go at one time. I think it was like 24 jobs, but you can set them to finish after other things finish, and like so you can do full-on CI/CD workflows.
Amazing.
If I could get this to work, it would be amazing. Come on, y'all. I wish I got Bop working. I'm pretty upset about that.
Next time.
Yeah, for real. Next time. Gotta figure out what I did wrong there.
Can we expand that check against Studio thing?
Yeah, so I'm about to. Just finished up, so...
Oh, okay. Let's see what's going on.
Oh, we're still getting the same thing. Token does not match the graph.
Cannot specify service token that does not match graph. Graph jam -spam does not match graph from token. Soundboard.
Thinking about... Oh, go ahead.
Graph name jam -spam.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know of a way to change the service name. So I'm very confused as to what happens now.
Right. Well, let's see. Graph Soundboard.
Service
like
name.
In the URL.
Soundboard.
Yeah.
And that's the original name I gave it.
Right.
Yeah, see? So it's still registering as Soundboard. I'm going to try and remove, real quick, last thing, I'm going to remove the graph name and just go with the service.
Sure, yeah, let's do that.
Right?
Sure.
YOLO. YOLO's in the chat.
Good to me.
Because we're giving it the service name, and the service name seems legit.
Yeah.
I love that you actually put YOLO's in the chat. It's even better then.
Got it, man.
Gotta represent.
On top of this.
All right. I also love that our repo has 5 stars. I think one of them is me and one might be you, but hey.
Yeah. So our repo has 3 stars.
3 stars.
All right.
Thank you. All right, let's try this again. One more time. My mouse is like jumpy today. I wonder what's going on with that. Where was I going? Oh yeah. Details. I have this open probably like 100 times. No, I don't. Good. All right, rerun all jobs. This is something I'll have to find out, which is like what happens when you rename your graph. How do you?
Now, is this here? Just a thought here.
Yes.
Could this check be running? You know, like the version of this schema check workflow in the PR is different than the version that's committed to main. So you might have to actually rebase your PR to get the updated schema check test with like the last time that we tried was probably just running the same schema check configuration that it ran the first time, because the PR, like the version of the schema check.yaml in the PR never changed.
I see what you mean.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So we're probably going to get the same error, right?
Yes. Okay, so let's do that then. Oh man. Git. All right, so let's see. So we just want to like merge main in or
you can probably just do it from the pull request UI in GitHub.
Oh really?
Yeah, let's try it out.
No, oops, wrong button.
So towards the bottom, there should be.
Well, it's not like out of sync. It's just that it doesn't have what's in it. Like there's no code added since we've created the PR or the branch. This is the latest code.
True.
So I think I gotta go here and
be no, maybe I'm actually wrong.
Git rebase origin main. Is that how you do this? Git rebase main.
Yeah. I normally do get pull dash dash.
First I gotta do git pull origin main. Or fetch. Oops. Shit.
You want to do git pull. I would just get out of there. Git merge dash dash abort.
Wait, what? No!
What happened?
I just accidentally closed VS Code.
Oh.
I'm on fire today. Yo,
that's okay.
The whole live share is gone. I was in the middle of a Git operation.
Not to worry.
Okay.
We didn't really need to live share too badly right now. Anyway, we can probably just do all this stuff in.
I think I can just do this. I think I can just finish pulling this branch into my branch. Like if I just finish this merge, we should be okay.
All right.
Right?
Yeah. Let's try it.
Like, yeah, I could go back and change it, but like, whatever. Yes, merge. I said yes. You won't do it. Okay, fine, whatever. I'll click the Z button. It won't do it. New file. Oh, do I have to git add it because it's a new file? No, it's already under git add. There we go. That's nice. Okay. It just took it a really long time. All right. That's good. Okay, there we go.
Okay, so what is the... Okay, so schema checks. Do we still... Now, do we... Okay.
Do we still...
I was just going to check that we still had, like, all of our stuff. Yeah, okay, cool.
Yeah, I'm very confused. I mean, I could try a new key, even though it's like I could still try the other key we tried, even though it still has the same name. Maybe a new key will work. What do you think? Should I try that really quick?
Well, let's see what the results of this. Like, we rerun it now. Like, let's see if this changes anything.
And I believe that failed. So I think it's still failing.
Was that the one that just happened?
You must provide. Oh, now it's different. You must provide.
29 seconds ago. So you must provide a graph name. So that's good to know.
Okay.
So why don't we just we'll work in the PR then, like add a or work in our feature branch, add a graph name again.
Whoa.
So now I have a good feeling about this. Like if we add back in that graph jam spam.
You think this is gonna do it?
I think there's a good chance. I'd put our chances at around 80%.
Those are pretty high. I would say it's going to work 100% of the time, 60% of the time.
Okay.
All right. So it should re-go, right? Oh, no.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's rebuilding. Let's get that.
Good stuff.
That going. That's what we like to see.
All right, let's observe the results.
It won't let me open the toggle.
That's okay.
Yeah.
We'll wait. We'll drink some water.
We'll wait patiently. Ooh, hydrate.
Hydrate? My water's in the other room, actually. I'm going to go get it while this is running.
That's a good idea. I'm trying to figure out what is going on here. Oh, that's good. What do you mean does not match the graph for token? I'm gonna switch it out real quick, y'all. I'm gonna try a different token. Same error. I'm gonna try a new token.
Same error.
Yeah, I'm gonna try I'm gonna try this new token.
Okay.
And see if that works. YOLO. So I gotta go back to the repo to my secrets. Update. Okay, so we've got a new key. Oh shoot, I think I might have double transitioned. Nope, it's smart enough to realize I only wanted one. Thank you, OBS. All right, so let's go back and look at our checks. Look at schema check. Nope. Rerun.
Excuse me. So you just, like, behind the restricted screen, you just went to Studio, generated a new token.
Key. Yep.
And added it to GitHub?
Yep, and put it in the secrets where because that's where the action is pulling the token from.
Okay,
yeah.
Got you.
Yeah, if this doesn't work, I might have to just like figure out what's going on with this, and maybe we'll circle back here at another time. Yeah. All right. Building. See, I wanted to do an elevator command as well. Oh, hey, it's a different error.
I love that. All right, what seems to be the problem?
Oh, no, never mind. Cannot specify a service token that does not match graph. Let me copy this down. Oh, hey, you mind banning this bot in chat real quick?
I'm on it.
Yo, thanks P Fabian, but we ain't interested. Alright, so hey. I have to figure out what that means. I don't want to create like a whole new graph. Oh, you know what stinks is that doesn't delete it from the layout on the screen. Ooh, that's the thing I'll need to fix.
Oh yeah, right.
It's like still there because
yeah, it just shows like every chat message that shows up just gets rendered.
it
We don't
does, which is really
unrender them.
interesting. So, but there is one thing that I can do. Let's see if I can get this to work. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, ba, ba,
Graph
ba.
jam spam
Whoa!
does
It did that on
graph.
screen though. That sucks. It reloaded it everywhere, but it worked.
Okay, so
All right.
what I'm wondering is
Yes.
if oh, nice. Can we try doing something here? Can we try setting graph to Soundboard?
Oh.
Because the error message, the way that I'm interpreting this says that graph jam spam does not match the graph from token, and in parentheses it says Soundboard, telling me that the graph from token is Soundboard.
Yes. Okay. But yeah, let's try it. Let's try that. Should I get rid of service name then?
Yeah, sure. Let's get rid of service name.
Yeah, let's try it. Let's see what happens.
Like this just might be a quirk around
like
Apollo Studio schema checks, where like the like in the UI we're led to believe that the graph name is jam spam, but to the service check thing, the graph name is the original graph name, which was Soundboard.
Yeah, I'd buy it. I'd buy that for $1.
Ooh, $1.
One whole dollar.
Down.
Yeah, I'm curious to see how that goes. Let's see if this works. I am hungry. I've not eaten a lot of food over the last few days.
What's for lunch today?
Well, I had a smoothie for like breakfast, lunch. I don't know what I'm gonna do for dinner, but it's down and stayed down, and I feel pretty decent. It's not. I don't even feel bad. So I'm thinking. Oh snap! You, sir, are a genius.
What happened? It works, dude. I just I knew what the error message was trying to tell me.
Yeah.
Could get the vibe. All right, so what do we have here? We found no breaking changes,
which we expect.
Right?
Yep. Now, this is working. Let's add a breaking change and push it. Get my hands an oatmeal cookie. Yo, for real, 2 oatmeal cookies. I made chocolate chip cookies yesterday for the kids, and I'm planning on eating those. Okay, so let's do this. Let's get rid of something.
Oatmeal cookies are my weakness.
Oh my goodness. No wonder sound is... Oh, no, wait. Sound played. I did add it here. I'm going to get rid of this one. This is why it's not working.
What's why?
Because I'm calling it sound played here. And I think I'm not calling it... oh, this is different project. Oh my goodness. Never mind. All right, let's get rid of connections. And
the projects are blending together.
And push
you could probably
change.
Just like comment it out.
Oh yeah, I probably could.
That way we don't need to remember what to write there.
You would think. Okay. All right, comment it out and let's push it.
Okay.
And this should fail our schema validation check because people could be relying on that.
Right.
Right? You would
think. I think it should.
We're gonna find out, or unless it's too new.
Yeah. This is a test, or if it has something to do with subscriptions. I wouldn't think so.
Oh wow! Look at that.
I
didn't even realize it does that. Commented 2 minutes ago. I think you could turn that on or off.
Okay.
That's pretty neat.
Now, will it update that?
That's a good question. We're gonna find out.
Write a new one.
We're gonna find out right now. I'm so excited. I'm so nervous.
I also noticed in Ian Sutherland's GitHub README, he mentions that there's an option that says like fail on error or something like that. Like fail if the schema check. See, right now it's we got a check mark there, but let's see what the content.
Well, it says found no breaking changes. It's compared against seen over the last 14 days, but I'm confused because that should be broken. Unless, oh crap. Oh, don't look at that. Okay, so we are getting operations, but like, where's, there we go. I want to see. Oops. How do you drill into the operations? Stop. Get out of here. Oh, here we go. Where is? Wow, this is a very high error percentage, but I wonder if this works for subscriptions.
Right. Yeah. That's kind of what I was getting at is like, does it consider subscriptions being removed a breaking change? I mean, it should be. The other kind of breaking change we could have is like if
mutation or query.
Yeah, like if we remove them, that's the other thing is like, is removing a query considered a breaking change, or removing a mutation considering a breaking change? I would assume so, but
I would think so. Let's just change a bunch of stuff until something breaks. But in here now we need
that connections query. We could also change int to like a different type.
Yeah.
You know.
So we could do that, right? Empty string, and then we'll change connections type to be, I don't know, like a string.
Well, we don't need to. If we just change the type, we don't need to
do the empty.
Yeah.
All right, I'm down with that, and I commented out mutations.
All right.
So we haven't
try to break things.
Yeah, we don't have like a big schema, and we haven't used a lot of operations, so it's like harder to find things that are going to break when it's less of a schema.
I think this should do it. This looks pretty broken to me.
Yeah. Is today the 17th? Yes. Good. But at least we know that the checks are working. Everything looks good here. I want to see the commit though. Oh, wait a minute. Of course that looks good. That's interesting. It looks like it's not checking against my updated commit, right? Or is that just me?
No, that looks right. Like, cause down there you have your one of the subscriptions commented out. This was just from that merge commit. Well, let's go back to the PR and see what's
see what's
happening.
I can get down with that. Okay. Let's go back here and go back here. Oops. Hey, 2 breaking changes that would affect 3 operations across null clients. It works.
Nice. I crossed null clients.
It works.
It works. That's good.
So we broke the crap out of it, folks. Success. This is what we wanted. All right.
Shall we fix it?
Yeah, we're gonna fix it.
What other things can we see with that? Like if we go into the SO UI now, do we also see some?
Yes. Yeah, we will see as soon as that check rolls through. So like if I reload this, it depends on how long it takes the checks to come in. See? Here we go. Latest check. Broken. And it's going to tell you what's affected.
Cool.
Get connections. This is a warning. So you can error on warnings is what that, I think what that extension is saying.
I see.
And then this is like straight up broken. Fully removed. And then look, it shows you the request rate. So like when you remove things, you can see how many people. And this is also why I like the idea of clients, because I think we don't have ours set up properly. But yeah, we want to. You could track, like, you could know, like, your iOS app uses this particular query or mutation, and if you remove it, you're gonna break your mobile app.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That makes sense. You're able to
Yeah.
separate your queries by the
Clients.
actual clients that use them.
Yeah, like
in most cases, like in some cases, you might have operations that are used across multiple clients, but in others, like you said, you might have some mobile only operations or some web only operations.
Even if it's the same operation, it's still very interesting to know who's using it. So, like, let's say we do have a lot of the same top 10 items queries. Who's making the most of them? Like, where are they coming from? Also, maybe if you're getting errors and you can find out that that's coming from one particular client, you can figure out what's going on in the client code, right? Like, it's like pretty interesting, the information it opens up. Anyway, regardless, this is fixed. Hoorah. So let's go fix it here and get this committed and merged. This took way longer than I expected it to. I would like to add, as most things tend to. All right, so, oh wait, was that the only fix I had to make? No, the type for connections is int. Oh wait.
Right. Well, it's helpful to have that, have like the extra information in Studio, so you can like refer to that when you're making these, when you're fixing your broken schema.
Yep, absolutely. There's a lot of useful information. Yeah. All right, so I mean that kind of wraps this up, and like, oh, we don't need GQL anymore. I gotta fix that and commit that.
Oh yeah, good call. Hey Kurt, side question: what is the Spotify logo in your VS Code sidebar?
Yeah, that is Spotify. So I can look at the music that I'm listening to. I can change songs in here. Also, if you look at the bottom, here's the song name. I believe I can like show the lyrics and stuff like that of it.
Neat.
This little button. Oh yeah, Spotify lyrics. So I guess it just takes it there. And then what else? I can stop it, so like I can like pause and play it, or mute and unmute. I could skip songs. And then this just shows you
don't need to leave your VS Code editor.
Yeah, so here's all my playlists. This needs to be updated because it's got like a bunch of old stuff that's all been removed. But I have like 4 playlists now that I listen to, and then like here's the tracks on all of a given playlist. So the one we're listening to right now, it's probably not even called Lo-Fi in here. I can't even. Let's find it. Oh wait, oops! I thought that was a search. But anyway, there's too many to list. I cleaned all this out, so it'd be a lot cleaner. But it has. I guess I need to like do something like update this.
Cool.
Spotify. Load playlists. There's a refresh button. Cool. So we're listening to Lo-Fi, and so now this is what we listen to. It's just all this music from this person, Harris Heller.
Oh, neat.
Yeah, but it's pretty cool. So it's just like, it's Spotify within VS Code. It just makes it a lot easier to, find stuff.
There's a VS Code extension for everything.
For everything. All right, so let's see.
They should make just like a VS Code OS.
They really should. They probably are. I mean,
just one program that controls everything on your computer.
I'm here for it.
VS Code. Yeah. You can have your in VS Code web browser, your VS Code calendar, your VS Code. An SVG editor would be nice.
Any of those. I'll take any of those. Like, all packaged in one. I feel like I like using Dawson. I like using my daughter's Chromebook. It's nice because like now I've been using the Code Sandbox, the Code Spaces from GitHub.
Yeah.
And they work. And it works well. It's really fast and responsive. I mean, you could use Code Sandbox too, like any browser base. Stack Blitz, there's a whole bunch of them. But yeah.
Code Sandbox and Code Spaces are both very VS Code like as well.
Yeah. Xander, yeah, let me I mean, I don't really know that many people, but let me see. I know a couple people who are on the Code Sandboxes team. Maybe they can get you into the beta. Did you sign up for it already? Because a lot of people have started to get their invites, which is cool. But I think that wraps up Soundboard, right? What are we gonna do with this? Just waiting on the response. Yeah. What are we gonna do next time? If we're done with Soundboard.
Yeah, I mean that kind of rounds out all of the main things that we wanted to cover with Jam Spam. I mean the other thing that we could do is just like little things like adding more sounds or like adding styles or something like that. But really, like I don't think any of that stuff is super pressing. Really, like we could start thinking about what's the next project we build.
Yeah.
And we don't have to come up with that answer right now, but you know, the next Launchpad stream you see could very well be
a new app.
The beginning of a new app.
Yeah. And we'll definitely, maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll source the internet for some ideas. I got a couple ideas I want to run by you. And we can, see what we can come up with. I think it'd be fun.
Sounds good.
Heck yeah. This was a lot of fun. And next time you come back to the stream, the sounds, whoosh, zap, bop, and horn, they'll all be available in chat. I promise.
Our trademark Jam Spam sounds.
I think that kind of worked.
Oh yeah?
What was that? It played like 8 and then didn't play anything. It's like coming in broken. Horn, but then if I do horn again, it doesn't work. Oh, there is a I think I know what's happening.
I love this moment. in coding in general. The moment that you're experiencing right now is a true as John Stewart would put it, a moment of zen.
It really is, but it's kind of working. Like I'm doing bop in the chat. But nice. I think there's a timeout not working between them.
Okay.
There's a lot to work out here. It's like ignoring fast follow-up commands, but it's progress. It like seems if you do the same one over, it doesn't work.
Oh. Well, something to look into, I guess.
And it comes in broken, like All right. Something to look at. But I'm closer than I thought.
Mm-hmm.
I love it. All right. With that, we'll leave on a high note. We got schema checks in. They're working, which is pretty dope. And then also plus 2,000 decibels. I don't know what that means. Are you saying it's super loud? Is it coming in really loud? Probably. I'm just realizing now that the volume is way up for it. It's so loud, yeah. Might be, yo. Might be. All right, let's try that. It is amazing. I know, but I turned it down, so maybe it won't be his B. I love that you did that. Yeah, it's whenever something else happens in the middle of it. Like I think if someone chats while I'm doing it, it like messes it up. Yeah, it's freaking out because the animation's running too for the chat message.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, because play sound is coming down. It's not supposed to. So it's like doubling up the messages.
It's funny that the ApolloBot play sound shows up on the stream chat, but not in the Twitch chat.
Yeah, it's only being sent to the client, like to the thing. Yeah, so something to figure out, but progress all nonetheless. That random color package is always picking out like fun colors, like on the layout. It's got really good colors today. I'm digging the blue teal theme. All right, I got nothing else. Yeah, that's it for me, folks.
I think that was a good one. We got schema checks working.
Yeah, we did.
We figured out some some weirdness, or not weirdness, but like tried to understand the error that we were getting back.
Yeah, and we did.
Studio.
Because you actually
understood.
read it.
Right. I interpreted it. I'm the error interpreter.
The error whisperer.
But yeah, good stream, Kurt.
As always.
And what can people look forward to from the stream next week?
Oof. So I had to reschedule. I was not feeling well. I had to reschedule our GraphQL and Vue. So that's going to be coming up next week. We got some Jamstack e-commerce stuff coming up the week after. We got maybe a new app started on Launchpad. I don't know. Also down the pipeline, we're looking at some Svelte. Get some Svelte and GraphQL stuff going. And then we're going to, there's a whole bunch of other stuff. I got to get it all lined up for you folks. But if anybody wants to figure out what's going on, just follow our schedule. I know I should add calendar as an alias now, but it's schedule. Oops.
I thought I was slick.
It's so slick. Yeah, I need to do that. But more work to be done on the bots, but we've got kind of half sounds working, which is going to be fun and annoying. But yeah, I have a set timeout on it, which is like, I think what's causing it, like throttling almost. I think it's broken. Yeah. All right. That's it for me. That's it for you. Y'all know where we're going to be and where to find us. Our Twitter handles are on the stream. So it's like, come say hi.
You got it.
And with that,
let's
get out of here.
Everybody.
Yeah. Bye, everyone. Feeling a little loopy. Bye.